Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing on the Maxi im508. It's a professional key programmer, and I finally got around to getting to this one so I can unbox it and check it out, see what's going on inside. I've already done the unboxing on the Autel Ultra and the oscilloscope. I keep saying oscilloscope accessory kit that I purchased from Autel Consultancy a couple weeks back. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And as usual, it comes in its hard case, just like the rest of the scanners. Okay, so let's move some stuff around so you guys can get a better look. And if we open it, here we have all the goodies. We have our scan tool here, or the program I should say. I think this has just very basic diagnostic features, if any. I gotta check this out a little bit more, but just as a comparison, as far as size is concerned, this is the Maxi 906 BT, and you can see that it's smaller than that. Not super small, but it's noticeably smaller. And it's trying to go all over the place. And here we have this doohickey, and again, I'm not too familiar with this tool. Not something that I've used a lot. I think this is to program key fobs and things like that. You stick it in there and then you program it. Not a tool I'm very familiar with. I really don't get into a whole lot of key programming. But it's a good thing to have just in case. This was part of a package that I bought from my friend Kurt. And here we have the OBD2 connector, and with some leads that stick out, I'm sure to do certain functions. And here's another one without the leads. This is a regular OBD2 connector here. And again, just to give you a better look at this, it looks like it's something you hook up to the OBD2 port, and then you do your little trickery there to do whatever it is you got to do. So it comes with this. Let's see what's in. Nothing there. And here we have a bunch of looks like little chips, some cards, and again, I really don't know what it is, because this is not something I use very often. You probably use this in connection with this. This is what, because I see some little slots so that you can stick some of these pins in there. That's what it looks like anyways. Let me see, we have how many in total? I think three, and whatever this is. I'll have to look at the packing list to see what these are supposed to do. And we have some adapters here for various makes: Kia, Honda, Mazda, and another Kia one. This one says Kia 20, this one says Kia 10. So I guess some vehicle specific applications. And here you have your charger, I believe. Yes, that's what it looks like. Your wall unit with a cable here, so we can charge the unit up. Let me see if I can read here and see what those things are. Vehicle key slots. No, doesn't say. It's just like a quick reference guide here. But that's about it. That's all it brings. Again, there's a bigger set than this, which obviously I think it's a little, or another attachments that we can get to go along with this, which I think is a little bit of overkill for me, because I don't really do a lot of key programming. But if you're a locksmith, then you definitely want to go ahead and probably get that extra kit. I forgot the number of it, the model number, but so let me see if we can turn it on. Is it dead completely? I thought I heard something. Okay, well, I guess we'll put it to charge and turn it on later. So again, let me just give you a close up of all that is in here. We got the tool itself, we got some, I still don't know what they are. EEPROM adapter. EEPROM adapter. Yeah. They all say the same thing. This one I have no idea. It looks like a phone jack almost, but it has like a little circuit board where that white foam is at. This one says doesn't say a EEPROM adapter, but it looks just like the other stuff, just a little different setup there. It looks like you can solder some ICs here or something. I don't know, it looks like some really advanced stuff for me. So this is it, just a quick video of the unboxing of the im508. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to charge and turn it on, see what all it does, and maybe you'll see me use it in the future at some point. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.